being a bad dog? Huh? Why you not listen to mama? Huh? Birthday? Why you being a bad dog? Why? You always be a bad dog? Huh? You don't want to be a good girl? Why you broke the couch there? Huh? You not listen to mama anymore? You're being a bad dog. Birthday. All your sister outside, they play around. See? They play around outside. But you need to stay here because you're a bad dog. You are a bad dog. Look at Fluffy. He's so cute. Fluffy is so cute. And you are a bad dog. Birthday. You are a bad dog. Bad dog. Look at your sister. They're playing outside. You need to stay here. You stay home. You can't play anymore. No games, no play. You need to stay there. You're a bad dog. Bad dog.